In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Enter Network Credentials error on Windows 11. This common issue can be quite frustrating, especially when you're trying to access shared files or printers across different computers on your network. But don't worry, we're here to walk you through a simple and effective solution. So, let's dive into the steps you need to follow. To begin, we need to make sure that network discovery is enabled on your Windows 11 device. This feature is crucial because it allows your computer to locate and connect with other devices on the same network. To enable network discovery, open your settings by clicking on the Start menu and selecting the Settings app. Once you're there, navigate to the Network and Internet section. Next, scroll down to find the Advanced Network Settings option and click on it. You should now see an option labeled Advanced Sharing Settings. Go ahead and click on that as well. Here you'll find a toggle switch for network discovery. Make sure this is turned on. Doing this will enable your system to recognize and communicate with other devices. Also, while you're in this menu, ensure that file and printer sharing is turned on as well. This is particularly important if you're planning to share resources between your devices. Once you've enabled network discovery, the next step is to ensure that both PCs, or however many you have on your network, are set to private network. This network profile is more secure and essential for sharing files and resources seamlessly. To configure this setting, once again go back to your settings. Select the Network and Internet option. Here, you'll need to identify and select your active network connection, which might be labeled by your Wi-Fi name or Ethernet connection. Once you've clicked on your active network, you'll see an option to set your network profile type. It's typically set to public by default, so switch it to private. Making this change ensures that Windows applies the right rules for your network, allowing for easier sharing and access between devices. Now, with network discovery and file sharing enabled, and both computers set to a private network, you should have resolved the Enter Network Credentials error. The steps we've just taken allow your devices to easily detect each other and communicate without any credential issues. It's important to remember that switching to a private network when at home or in a trusted environment is always safer and more efficient for networking activities. And there you have it, a simple guide to fixing the Enter Network Credentials error on your Windows 11 system. By following these steps, you should be able to enjoy seamless connectivity and resource sharing on your home or office network. If you continue to encounter issues, make sure to check your firewall and security settings, as they can sometimes interfere with these configurations. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.